Hello, friends. Spending quality time with the family and children is one of the biggest and the greatest joy of life. I'm sure you all must be angry with me. But in today's world, everyone is busy. They always complain that they didn't have time. They have shortage of time because they are so busy, so indulged in their earning their livelihood, they didn't get time. If you also feel the same, that time is becoming the struggle, you get lesser chance to connect with the kid, then this video is for you. When we are facing the difficulty to spend some time with our kids, then it makes too much challenge or lot of sense to understand that how to spend the quality time with the kids. We can't postpone it, that tomorrow we will spend the time with them. Their name is today, and we have to give them time today to connect for a better tomorrow. And we can build a super strong bond or connection with them if we'll connect them or we'll spend quality time with them. So, when does a time become quality time? When the child feels loved, secured, and they get your undivided attention, your undivided time. When you are not bothered about anything, you are just with the kids in that moment. So, when does our time become quality time? Our time become quality time when the child feel loved and they get our undivided attention. We are not busy with any other work. We are just devoting our whole time to them only. So there are three ways where you can connect with them: while talking to them, while playing with them, and while creating something. When you create something, you spend time with them. So this way, in these three ways, you can create quality time with your children. So how you can spend quality time while talking? Whenever you talk to your child, ask less, talk more. Talk and discuss the things. Don't ask probing questions and don't start your conversation with question only. Always be on their eye level. Make eye contact whenever you talk to them. Same with listening. Whenever your child comes to tell you something, pay your full attention to them. If you are busy that time, you can say please come again after 5 minutes. Otherwise, you can stop doing your work and you can give your proper attention for 1 and 2 minutes. And she or he will feel more happy and connected with you all. So, listen attentively. Your child is an independent being and respect to that. And next is while playing. Play a game every day. Whenever you get time, play something with them. This is the time that they enjoy the most. And when their parents are indulged in all these things, then they feel more happy, more safe, more connected with their parents. So you can play different type of games. It can be structured games and unstructured game. You can play ludo, carom, badminton, cricket, any type of game. And you can also play fly kite. You can make boats with them, make aeroplane. Give your time. Spend some time with them. Word and Takshri you can play. You can play hopscotch. You can tell them what all game you all used to play in your childhood. They'll feel happy that my parents are sharing their childhood stories. And the last one is creating and completing something together. It can be anything. It can be a DIY project. There are so many projects are there, so you can create together. You can complete reading a book, comic book you can read together and discuss about that, the character and all. You can do gardening together. You can plant a sapling, give water every day and look after that thing so that they become more happy. They feel secure. You can go for a walk together. You can do yoga, meditation, Zumba, where only you and your child is with you. You both are together. So this way you can spend quality time and they feel more connected when they play these type of games. You can play pillow fight with them. You can, there are lots of other games. You can also make your own games. Blindfold, you can play hide and seek, family hug, family time, family meal time, where you can discuss together, come together, sit together. So it will create a bonding with the child. So connection is more important than correction. This way you can connect with your child by following these three things: by talking, by playing, and by creating something together. Whenever you are there, be happy with them. So you can make difference. Your 20-30 minutes can make difference in your child's life. And it can be any time, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever suits you. And whatever time you take out from your busy schedule, they will feel more happy and connected when you spend this time with them. Whichever time suits you to create the bond and connect with your child, this quality time will nurture them with your unconditional love and support and encouragement. I hope I am able to deliver value to you and you all have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.